Well, hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a counting table problem with Python. So what I want a counting table of 1. So for that I'm again going to use the for loop for j in range 1 to 11, and we know the counting table is from 1 to 10. So I want to print the counting table of 1. So I'm using 1 here, 1 then equal to, then j 1, then multiple sign or x, then j, then equal to, which is equal to I it's which is 1 here, 1 into multiplied by j. So it should print us the counting table of 1, as you can see. So if we can do a better thing. We can create a variable for 1, like I is equal to, we can declare a variable I is equal to 1. So we will see that it's giving us the same result, but here we can change the variable whenever we want. Like I'm changing it to 6, it will give us the counting table of 6. Okay, so we can play around with that. Now I want another thing. I want a series of counting table, like 1 to 10. I want a series of counting table for 1 to 10. So we will have to use another loop for that. So first I'm bringing the range of 1 to 10 again, this time outside the previous loop. And if we first I want to give you the raw result, which gives us the table. It's totally fine, but I want a space between each counting table of individual numbers. Okay, so for that we have to print a space or a break after each loop is completed. So we have to print the break outside the last loop. So here it is, it's outside the last loop. As you can see, if we print this we should be getting something like this. Okay, you can see, because it's outside the last loop. If we print it inside the last loop, you will see that it's giving a space after individual multiplication. We don't want that. We want after one counting table of individual number, we want a space. For that reason we will print it outside the last loop. The indenting in Python is really important. If we use it outside the first loop, you can see it will print it at the bottom of all the multiplication, because it's outside the first loop. First loop is the whole loop actually, so it will print after the whole loop, as you can see. So we don't want that. We want it outside the last loop, not the first loop. So outside the last loop, remember that. So after each individual numbers counting table, we will print a space. So that's how you do it. You can do it also with the while loop. And if you have any better solution, or if you have any questions regarding this solution, you can comment it down below. Thank you everyone.